Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, this is 252586 SM, the People versus Darren Als.
Afternoon, Your Honor, or good morning. James Gazicki on behalf of Mr. Ailes. Mr. Ailes is going to enter into a plea where he's going to plead guilty to the charge of domestic violence. The prosecutor agreed to dismiss count one. And as the following conditions, there'll be batter's counseling, contact for the children only, and substance abuse evaluation and treatment as directed and any other terms set by the court.
Sir, you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand these are sentencing recommendations or conditions that the prosecutor's requesting as part of your sentence, but you understand you can have more added. When you meet with probation, probation will write up a recommendation and it might include things other than the things that Mr. Gazicki just listed. Do you understand that?
Yes. One question.
Okay.
I do have two jobs. I'm a care provider for my father that's handicapped, and I just got a job at Kroger Delivery. I work a 9-hour shift. And I have like 2 days off only. So could they work around that, please? Because I still pay for my kids' diapers. I paid rent. I pay everything for them. My kids.
Well, yeah, I mean, we'll do our best. And they should be able to accommodate your schedule to some degree. But I know you have testing and, and you're managing to make that work. At least that's what it looks like so far. But I mean, we'll do our best to accommodate that.
Okay.
All right. And I see Miss LePage is present. So, sir, this plea is being taken for 12 months. You would not be eligible for early termination, and it's being taken under 7694.A. That statute says that if you plea, it would be a non-public record if you comply with all of the terms of your probation. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you go over your constitutional rights to your attorney that are outlined on this advice of rights form?
Yeah.
Did you understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you give your attorney permission to sign this form on your behalf?
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, you understand that on top of waiving your right to a jury trial, you understand you could be waiving your right to a trial, correct?
I have a trial still.
No, if you enter a plea, no, that's what I'm saying. If you enter a plea of guilty, we're not going to have a jury trial. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
And you'll be waiving all the trial rights listed on this form because we're not having a trial.
Yeah.
All right. You understand if you're on probation or parole and you enter a plea of guilty, it could be a violation of your conditions.
Yeah.
And you understand if you're not a citizen of the United States and you enter a plea of guilty, it could have immigration consequences up to deportation.
Yes.
And you understand, sir, that federal law and or state law may prohibit you from possessing or purchasing ammunition or a firearm, including a rifle, pistol, or revolver if you're convicted of a misdemeanor crime of violence against a current spouse, former spouse, parent, guardian, the victim, you share a child in common with the victim, you are or were cohabitating with the victim as spouse, parent, or guardian, or you were involved with the victim in another similar relationship. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
So knowing all that, to the charge of domestic violence, how do you plead?
I plead guilty.
Has anyone forced you to get you?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea agreement to get you to plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
So were you in the city of Taylor back on October 25th of 2025? I'm sorry, August 25th of 2025?
August 20? No.
You weren't in the city of Taylor on that day?
When I got arrested?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Sorry.
At the address of 8104 Elm Street.
Yes.
All right. And do you know someone by the name of Erica Rose LePage?
Yeah, it was my fiance.
Okay. Was your fiance on that date?
Yeah.
All right. And did something happen or did you do something on that date that would make you guilty of domestic violence?
Yes, ma'am.
What'd you do?
I grabbed the glasses off her face and I grabbed her phone.
Did you pull her hair?
I maybe when I was pulling her glasses off her head.
Okay. Did she want you to do any of that?
No, it wasn't right for me to do that. No.
All right, Mr. Gazicki, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to accept the plea as knowing and voluntarily given. Sir, you'll meet with the probation department. The probation department is going to contact you for a pre-sentence interview. After that interview, we'll set a sentencing date. Ms. LePage, at that date, you will have an opportunity as a victim in a domestic violence to make a statement to the court, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're going to refer for a pre-sentence interview. Bond conditions continue. Is there contact for purposes of the children?
Could
Sure.
there be
Could there be what, ma'am?
contact for children?
Yeah, you can communicate only relating to the children. I recommend that you do most, if not all of your communications via text. Okay. And that way
Okay.
there are no allegations of who said what because you're both present.
Okay.
Or it's in writing. Got it?
Got it.
All right, Mr. Als, we'll see you soon. You're going to hear from probation after they interview you. We'll set a sentencing date.
All right, thank you.
All right, we're all set. Bond continues with that amendment, that contact for children only.
All right.
All right, we're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Your Honor.
All
Have a
right,
good
we're
one.
all set. Thank you. Yeah. What? Wait, who are we here? Whose violations today? All right. Oh, Mr. Verdude, you're here to cause some trouble, I see. This is 250941. The People versus Jessica Glass. Jazerski? All right, go ahead, counsel.
James Gazicki, Jazerski. I just received a file today and she's gone over her rights. There's no question regarding her rights, but we're requesting a hearing in this matter. I'm asking the court for an adjournment so I can review the file. It'll be brought up today in this matter.
All right, well, where you should start is you should ask Ms. Wagman to play you the audio of a call that was submitted to her where Ms. Wagman contacted the defendant about not having any contact yet again with the complaining witness.
Right.
And she hung up with him and then immediately called the complaining witness and had a phone call based on her call with Aaron. That might be a good. I'll adjourn it, Mr. Gazicki. I'm just telling you that way you don't have to go into it too much. You could just listen to that call. She has a no contact order. How many times do I have to tell you that? How many times?
I understand you.
No, you don't understand. Because and what did I tell you? What did I tell you when he calls you? What did I say?
Did he not?
And what'd you do? Instead, talk. You are not supposed to be talking to him by my court order. And this is the second time I've seen you. And the last time I said, this is ridiculous. Don't cry now. Last time I said, this is ridiculous because he's contacting her and these two are going back and forth. And then I counseled you and said, do not respond to him. If you respond to him, I'm going to put you in jail. There's no contact. And you can't listen. I mean, you can't. And Mr. Burduke, don't think you're cute because I'll see you next week on a violation. Am I seeing him this week? No, he'll be here next week. He'll be here next week. You two are toxic, and this is what's irritating me. You're wasting time on the criminal justice system's time on whatever you two have going on between you. You're wasting the time of the courts. You're using the criminal justice system. Mr. Perdue, I'm looking at you. You're using the criminal justice system to deal with your two little petty problems. That's what you're doing. And I'm tired of it. And what's becoming clear to me is that maybe probation's not suitable for either of you on your cases. And maybe it'd be best if you just do your jail time and we get this over with. Because I am not going to play this game. I'm not going to ask Miss Wagaman to play this game for much longer. That this is it. So we'll set it for a hearing. Mr. Verdude, I assume you'll be recording when she calls you after this hearing. Make sure that Miss Wagaman gets that, because if you call him in between now and your hearing, you have any contact with him whatsoever, I want to be clear. I am revoking your probation and I am locking you up for 90 days. One time. Do you understand me?
I understand.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
One time. If she gets one thing that is from right now at this moment, at what time is it? 3:57, Monday, September 22nd to next week when we have your hearing, bring your toothbrush and wear a sports bra because you're going to jail. Got it?
Okay.
All right. We'll set it for a hearing. And Mr. Perdue, your violation, you better come in person. Don't show up on Zoom.